Students, many verbs have separate forms for the past and the perfect. For example, verb see, past saw, perfect seen. Verb do, past did, perfect done. Verb go, past went, perfect gone. Verb write, past wrote, perfect written. Verb sing, past sang, perfect sung. Now try to think of as many words ending in ing. Example, making. Let's start.
Playing, dancing, sleeping, reading, doing, trying, watching, going, writing, crying, singing, coming, running.
Very good. Now make meaningful sentence using above words.
My friend is doing a project. She is reading a comic. We are writing our class notes. They were playing in the garden. We are trying our best for our exam. MEENA was crying. SEENA is singing a classical song. They are coming in 2 minutes. We are going for a movie. MITALI is dancing. Mom is watching my act. The baby is sleeping. SUBHASH is running fast.
Good try, students. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye.